All right, guys, so in the last video, we quickly went over the AI music generator, which is fantastic on musiccreator.ai. I'm going to skip straight to what they call the stem splitter. So what this does is it actually allows you to remove vocals from a song and make a perfect karaoke track. But there's other things that it could do. It could remove other things from the song as well. So for me, I like to play guitar, and it's really annoying for me when I'm playing along with a song to hear the original bass guitar or hear the original lead guitar. I just want to hear how I'm performing, right? This stem splitter will do this, and I hope this doesn't give me a copyright strike. I did the Alan Parsons project, Eye in the Sky. Let's take a quick look at it. So here it removed the drums, the bass, the vocals, and basically an effects channel that it throws everything else into. This is awesome, guys. Like, if you just listen to the bass track, this is what it removed for the bass. So now I'm going to be able to export this song without the bass. You can see I solo everything and I mute out the bass. So now this song will play without the bass. Let's get to some lyrics here. There we go. No. There we go. So here's the song with just the bass muted. I'm gonna mute most of the song. You can hear the vocals. Don't let the fire rush to your head. I mean, you could really narrow this down. You can make it an instrumental karaoke version. This is really cool. And I only tried one song so far, and I'm really impressed. And so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take my favorite songs to play, and I'm going to remove, for example, the bass track, so that I can play the bass and the song itself doesn't have it. So guys, I wanted to show you that really quickly, how you could use Music Creator AI not to just create music, but to pick music apart and create versions of songs that you could use for karaoke, or that you could use in place of a band so you could play along with them. This is really awesome stuff, guys. Now listen, if this was helpful to you in any way, or if you have any questions about this, feel free to comment down below. I'll answer every question that you have to the best of my ability. I'll leave a link to this down in the description and in the comments as well. And if this is at all helpful to you, please do leave the video a like. Let me know if this helped you. And guys, YouTube knows you better than I do, as always. So listen, it thinks you're going to like this video up here. So go give that a shot, and we'll meet you over there. Until next time.